Forests are large areas of land covered predominantly with trees, undergrowth, and various forms of plant life. They play a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance, supporting biodiversity, regulating the climate, and providing resources like timber, firewood, and medicinal plants. Forest conservation refers to the sustainable management, protection, and restoration of forested areas to prevent deforestation, degradation, and loss of biodiversity while ensuring that forests continue to provide environmental, economic, and social benefits for present and future generations. 12 strategies for conserving forests in Zimbabwe. 1. Afforestation. This involves the planting of trees in areas that were previously not forested, increasing forest cover and enhancing ecological stability. 2. Reforestation. Replanting trees in areas where forests have been cut down or degraded helps to restore vegetation cover, combat soil erosion, and promote biodiversity. 3. Establishment of protected forest reserves. Designating specific areas as national parks, botanical reserves, or protected forests restricts human activity and prevents illegal logging and poaching. 4. Controlled and regulated logging. Implementing strict laws to control timber harvesting ensures that trees are cut down sustainably and only mature trees are harvested, with replacement planting encouraged. 5. Promotion of agroforestry. Integrating trees with crop and livestock farming helps maintain soil fertility, provide shade, and conserve biodiversity while supporting rural livelihoods. 6. Environmental education and awareness campaigns. Educating communities about the importance of forests and sustainable resource use encourages responsible practices like controlled wood use and the prevention of veld fires. 7. Enforcement of forestry laws and policies. Strengthening and enforcing legal frameworks such as the Forest Act discourages illegal deforestation, timber smuggling, and land encroachment. 8. Encouraging the use of alternative energy sources. Promoting the use of biogas, solar energy, and electricity reduces reliance on firewood and charcoal, lowering pressure on forest resources. 9. Community-based forest management. Involving local communities in the management and protection of forests empowers them to sustainably use resources while benefiting from forest-related activities. 10. Fire management and prevention strategies. Constructing fire guards, monitoring veld fires, and training firefighting teams help protect forests from destruction caused by wildfires. 11. Rehabilitation of degraded forest areas. Restoring previously deforested or degraded forest lands through planting indigenous tree species and controlling invasive species improves ecosystem health. 12. International cooperation and funding. Partnering with international environmental organizations and securing funding from global climate and conservation initiatives supports forest conservation programs and technology transfer.